Hello, thank you for joining me. My name is Martin Lee. I am a magician, hypnotist and mentalist. Today I'm going to show you a mentalist effect using 5 ordinary staplers. Usually this trick will be done with audience members, making random choices one after the other. Unfortunately, I don't have any audience members. So we're going to just basically use coins numbers 1 to 5, as well as cards numbers 1 to 5. Again, this will make sense as we go through the effect, but just for now, remember those things. Right, so as I said, it's simply 5 staplers, all exactly the same. Okay, to begin with, all I'm going to simply do is place the staplers inside of this. This is to make sure I can mix them up without knowing which one is which, completely fairly and randomly. And then just taking them out randomly one at a time and placing them down. Okay, right, we're going to number the staplers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to take the coins, which, as I explained earlier, are all randomly numbered between 1 and 5. Again, it's fair, and place them in there. Remembering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to give them a complete shuffle up, and randomly, without looking, place my hand in when I find one. Maybe better to not use a tea towel. Okay. Number 2. So we're going to load number 2 with staples. Back so I can get them in. Completely fair. And compare it to that one. All completely fair and random. Give them a quick mix up. I'll just tell you what, bollocks. Take all them out of there. I'm going to place them inside here. And again, we're going to muddle them up again, so I don't know which one is which. And again, what we'll do is we'll have it 1, that's 3, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, take them out one at a time. So I'll place that one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of that now. Selection of cards. Random. I'm just going to mix them up as best I can without looking at them. And then mix around. Okay. All I'm going to do is take them over one by one, and as each one goes by, I will staple that one into my hand, hopefully leaving one at the end, which is the one that contains the staples. Okay. Number 4. Empty. Number 2. Oh, I went the wrong way, but anyway. Number 2. Empty. 8 we're counting as number 1. Also empty. 5 and 3 now. Number 5. Again, completely empty. Which leaves number 3. I've just jammed the stapler anyway. As you can see, the only ones contain the staples. They were completely random free choices. We mixed up the staplers at the beginning, we then mixed up the coins, we then picked a random coin which represented a random stapler. Again, I put the staples once loaded back into the thing, mixed them up again, making them completely random, placed them out in a line. Then we mixed the cards up, again the same thing, mixed them up, completely fair, completely random, picked one at a go. With each one, I then picked a stapler representing that and stapled it, leaving the 1 at the end, number 3, the only one containing the staples. Thank you for watching, comment below, and carry on to watch the rest of my videos.